If you have the same dream to learn this posture, middle split, but you can't do it, if you have a problem like that, अगर आप इतना ही कर पाते, if you are able to do only this much, then what is the problem? Let me explain you. Maximum people not focusing on stretching their inner thighs muscle, and also they're not focusing on complete hip opening. And this is the major reason that's why people are unable to make this middle split smoothly. So if you wanted to do proper this middle split without any injury, then this video is for you. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and like this video. First of all, you have to focus on which muscle is helping us to make our middle split. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी मसल हमारी हेल्प करती है हमारे मिडल स्प्लिट को करने के लिए. Some people have very tight muscle. So whenever we talking about middle split, most of the time our glutes, our hip adductors, hip flexors, quadricep muscle and some major muscle always needs flexibility. And middle split is not a basic posture, it's an advanced posture. So your approach should be first focus on proper opening of your muscle and then go for the advanced one. So our first technique is amazing because it can help you to stretch maximum your pelvis area. हमारा जो pelvis होता है वो काफी tight होता है, तो I'm giving you one basic simple technique that everyone can practice smoothly. So you need to lift your right leg up and then try to touch your hand with your knee and then slightly keep your knee back and try to do smoothly this leg back one side, एक side से करा and then change your side. In the next technique, we are focusing on our inner thighs muscle, hip adductors and the hamstring. For that, आपको करना क्या होगा? You need to follow the steps. So we have to put our heel on our mat like this. Also, you have to lift your toe. आपने अपनी toe हवा में lift करनी है. Now your target is to catch your other leg ankle with your right hand. See. After that, you have to lift your left hand up and slightly move towards our other side. You will be getting stretch here in your inner thigh muscle. आपको काफी अच्छा stretch आएगा inner thighs में. And just try to look back. Always try to lift your toe for 15 seconds. Then slightly switch your side. You have to do with other side similarly. Now you have to lift again your toe up and now left hand holding your right leg ankle like me and one hand is going back. And feeling a good stretching in your inner thigh. अच्छे से stretch और balance के साथ practice करिए. Then slowly come back and getting ready for the third technique. Now we practicing with the help of this yoga brick. अगर आपके पास yoga brick नहीं है, then you can keep any object that is similar to the yoga brick. आपने करना क्या है? Just place your brick here, and now you have to put your heel over your mat, like me, in front of your body. Now what you have to do is just try to focus on stretching your hamstring by bending your spine forward. आपने बस अपने आप को आगे ले जाना है और bend करना है. Now try to keep your spine straight और फिर आगे के लिए आप झुक जाइए. So you have to do only forward bend and stay here for at least 15 seconds to 30 seconds. Look at me. How to do? Spine straight, bend forward and stay here. You will be getting a great stretching in your under your calf muscles and also your hamstring and inner thigh muscles. Keep your spine straight and bend forward. Then after that you have to change your leg position. फिर आप change करने के बाद similarly आपने यहाँ से भी वही forward bend करना है. Just bending forward. Then slowly come back and relax in butterfly exercise. So right now I'm going to give you a great technique for beginners to increase their hip mobility and flexibility with the help of using these two bricks. तो अगर आप भी इस टेक्निक को फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, then आराम से इस टेक्निक को वॉच करें. So right and left side, both you have to place your bricks normally. Now you need to put your knee over these two bricks properly. How do you want? Look at me. You have to keep your knee touch properly with your block. And this side also. If you don't want to practice with this block, you can also keep some, you can say 2 cushion. आप 2 cushion की सहायता से भी practice कर सकते हो. You only need to keep your hip back and forward, or else you can touch your elbow on your ground. आप अपने हाथों को जमीन पे रख के भी अपनी muscles को, hips muscles को stretch feel करा सकते हैं. All you need to do is just move forward and back. This technique you need to practice at least for 30 seconds. And then after that you have to relax in the counter pose, like you can say do normal butterfly exercise. So feel a good stretch in your inner thigh and this definitely can help you to. तो ये टेक्निक आपको काफी अच्छे से हेल्प कर सकती है आपके मिडल स्प्लिट करने में. धीरे धीरे अपने प्रैक्टिस करना है और फिर आराम से रिलैक्स भी करना है. Now you have to practice the last technique, and then whenever you practicing this technique, you need to take some precaution. आपको ध्यान से practice करना चाहिए. You have to keep your chair properly fixed on your mat. Number next, your leg position is very important. अगर आप पाँव के अच्छे से fix नहीं करोगे, then you will not get a good stretching. And never feel stretch in the wrong way. Always try to feel stretch with a good way. How? You have to do with proper step and slowly approach. अगर आप धीरे धीरे practice करोगे, you will get definitely a good result and good improvement. Now see how to follow. You need to bring your right leg heel over your chair. आपको अपना right leg का heel chair पे रखना है, and then try to shift your bottom leg in the other leg, left leg, little bit outside. Now you need to bend your knee of your left leg like this and try to hold your knee with your both hand. Now try to push your hip downward. आप अपने hip को नीचे के लिए लेके जाओगे और सामने के लिए देखना है. If you have knee pain, you can just try to do half bending, and after that just slightly come down and up. You will be getting a good stretching here, and also you can try with the both side for 30 seconds to get a good opening. Okay, if you now we have to try with the other side. अब अपनी heel को दूसरे पैर को अपने चेयर पे रखोगे इस तरीके से, और फिर अपना दूसरा पैर का जो नी है उसको भी आपने अच्छे से बेंड कर रहा है. एंड ट्राई टू कीप योर हिप डाउन एंड अप. स्माइल करते हुए प्रॉपर अपने प्रैक्टिस करना है और अच्छे से स्ट्रेचिंग कोशिश करते रहना है. इफ यू वांट टू गेट रिलैक्स पोस्चर, तो आप अपने दोनों हाथों को जमीन पे भी रख सकते हैं. And after that you have to relax yourself. I am going to show you the final overview how to do middle split. If you wanted to know how much time does it take to get the middle split finally, so let me give you one short answer. Don't focus on timings and duration of middle split. Only focus on your consistency and your practice. Your approach is very important. अगर आप डायरेक्ट आसन की तरफ ध्यान देंगे तो आप कभी भी मिडल स्प्लिट तक नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. आप ये देखिए कि रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है. What are the requirements to get the good flexible your middle split? First of all, your hip flexibility is very important. You should focus on each and every muscle, which I already highlighted in today's video, and just practice at your home sincerely. Take proper relax, and then again try the same techniques for a couple of days and few months, and you will get definitely a great progress. You can see some of my students who joined my online classes and they have a great improvement. तो उनकी वजह से आप अपने आप को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं. First of all, focus on your progress. Progress means practice hip opening and get the result, and after that later you will get the confidence that you also can achieve your middle split. So now we are going to learn how to do step by step middle split with the proper hip opening के बाद. चलिए देखते कैसा होता है. जब भी आप मिडल स्प्लिट करते हैं तो आपके दोनों हाथों का सपोर्ट लेकर भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. नाउ हाउ टू टेक सपोर्ट ऑफ हैंड्स टू डू मिडल स्प्लिट. ओके, यू कैन ट्राई दिस मिडल स्प्लिट बाय सिटिंग. आप बैठकर भी कर सकते हैं और आप चाहो तो खड़े होकर भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर फ्रॉम स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन आई एम गोइंग टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट यू. यू नीड टू स्लाइड योर हील्स नॉर्मली एंड यूज योर हैंड सपोर्ट. इफ यू वांट टू टच योर एल्बो, यू कैन टच योर एल्बो एंड स्लाइटली more inside and just slide it further and make this alignment. आपको बस करना कि अपने पैरों को फैलाकर अपने आप को इस पोजीशन में ले आना है. शुरुआत आपकी बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहेगी, लेकिन जब आप पहुंच जाएंगे, एकदम प्रॉपर मसल्स फ्लेक्चर हो जाएंगे, तब आप अपने मिडल स्प्लिट को आराम से कर पाएंगे, जैसे कि मैं कर रहा हूँ. So follow these techniques and get the result within a few months, and don't worry, everything can possible. Just try to take small step for your success. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like this video. Please like and share with your friend and never give up. And also, if you wanted to learn any topic, just write down in the comment box. And if you wanted to learn directly, personally, online through my, you can say Zoom classes, just WhatsApp me if you're interested, wanted to improve your flexibility, wanted to learn advanced yoga poses. And if you also interested in becoming yoga teacher, so Shivam Yoga Studio School can also give you international certification. For that, you can also discuss through our WhatsApp number in our WhatsApp chat. So just message us for regarding any inquiry, and I will be see there. Many videos are coming. Subscribe for new update. Namaste.